So we're just above Highway 82 on the west side of Independence Pass. We're at an elevation just shy of 12,000 feet, so we're up in the alpine on a west-southwest facing slope. So we've been telling folks that these aspects aren't quite as dangerous as the north and east facing stuff where we've seen most of our recent avalanche activity. But our snowpack structure here tells us we're also not out of the woods. We've isolated a propagation saw test here, and in our pit we found multiple layers of buried facets sandwiched between harder slabs. We just did an extended column test and got a sudden collapse to go on this middle layer. So we're going to test that with a propagation saw test and see if we can reproduce those results. Got a propagation saw test. It broke to the end of the column, and that was 43 over 100. So that's right in the zone where we still have to worry about this particular interface. We've also got one lower interface that we're interested in that we want to test as well. So we'll see if we get a result on this lower one. Okay, so that one was hard to measure, but it was probably only 10 or 15 centimeters in. And as you can see, we're only on a 23-degree slope, but the whole block's it. So we've got multiple failure planes in this snowpack, and it's quite likely that anything that broke higher up would step down into these lower depth or layers that are present even on southwest facing slopes up in the alpine. So here's some more slopes that show signs of recent avalanche activity, and in this next picture we've highlighted some slopes that are primed and ready for skier triggering, even on these west facing slopes in the alpine. Still need to stay on our toes on most aspects in the alpine, although the avalanches won't be as large on southwest.